Hi guys, so on today's video, we are finally gonna be cleaning the oven. This oven, dun, dun, dun. We're going to go ahead and try to clean this oven. Let me show you what it looks like. This is our oven at the moment. Yeah, it's very dirty. Oh my god. So it's actually been almost like probably more than a year or less than a year since I replaced this and or clean this at all because I don't really know how to do that. So because now I am like part of the clean thingy, I am now gonna attempt and clean this oven. Thank God I have that foil here because look at this part of the oven. It's actually almost spotless. Just need to like scrub it a little bit. But it's not like burnt or whatsoever. Like just like the door itself. That is a really good tip for everybody that has this type of oven. But this one right here is incredibly dirty. So I'm gonna use my baking soda. Like maybe half a cup Blue Dawn soap. Because we're gonna make a paste. Then I also got this from the Dollar Tree. I'm also gonna be adding a little bit of water. We can have that paste consistency.
Once you're happy with the consistency of the paste that you made, just use a brush and spread it all over your oven.
I actually also got this from the Dollar Tree. It says cleaning vinegar. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a try.
So as you can see, all of the tools that I am using right now came from the Dollar Tree. So head over to the nearest Dollar Tree that you have so that you can start cleaning your oven as well. And while I wait for my oven to get ready for scrubbing, I start working on the racks. That's dirty, y'all.
Okay, so it's been 30 minutes now, so let's see. I'm gonna use this again. Let's see if that. Oh, I'm scared. It worked! Oh my god. Look at that.
I was actually kind of hesitant to use the scraper for the oven's window because I'm afraid that it might cause some scratches, but thankfully it did not, and it's actually one of the best tools that I use to scrape off that nasty gunk that's been living in that oven for maybe 4 years now.
Oh my god. This is insane.
After I'm done with the oven's window, I started scrubbing the door panels with the wool brush. I think we call it a wool brush, right? And that actually worked really well on that side of the oven. I didn't see any scratches after I'm done with it. So yeah. Overall, I'm really satisfied and pleased with the baking soda, Dawn, and vinegar solution to clean your oven. I think the only downside that I have using this formula is that the oven tends to be very soapy. So maybe next time I would like use more baking soda and more vinegar and then less soap, because I actually spend more time removing the soap residue from the oven because I'm afraid that anything that I will bake in it will taste like soap, like seriously. Some other equipment that I use to clean the oven is my handheld vacuum, so that it can remove any, like, what do you call this, like burnt stuff in the bottom of the oven, and also use the steamer so that it can blow off water and steam and remove some of the soap. Alright, so let me just show you guys what the oven looks like before I cleaned it, and this is the after. Yeah, it's not that perfect, but it's definitely a lot cleaner than it was a couple minutes ago. So yeah, once again, this is Jackie, and I do hope that you enjoyed this satisfying video that I made to clean the oven. Have a wonderful day. Bye!